Moments of animal genius that will amaze you. We are all raised thinking that not all species are created equal. Most believe that humans are always a step higher in the IQ game compared to other species. Often this makes us underestimate what our scaly and furry friends can do. There are moments within their showcase of intelligence leave us pleasantly surprised. Here are the moments of animal genius that will amaze you. By the way, make sure you click that subscribe button to stay up to date with all our engaging videos, and use that trigger finger by smashing that like button. Now let's get into it. Mischievous raccoons. Raccoons are medium-sized furballs. Or adorable, right? If you think so, then they might have done a good job deceiving you. These little balls of mischief are known for being cutting and scheming. You know the niche black and white striped criminal jumpsuits? And droopy eye balaclava? They seem awfully similar to our furry little friends, don't they? Looks like they might just be an inspiration for that. Not only did these stripy trash thieves invade your garbage cans, there are also many instances where they are caught stealing pet food. Aside from stealing, they are little thieves. Also have a habit of doing things just because. Evil for the sake of being evil. Whether it be dipping a biscuit into your cat's water bowl to make it filthy, it might have just kicked your cat out of the house while you were gone, making itself comfy in the cat bed. Sometimes kick down your garbage can, just because. The leader. Among a large flock of sheep, in a never-ending grassland is always a shepherd accompanied by this trusty sheepdog, keeping so many wayward grazers in a flock while either scouting for danger or keeping an eye on them. Sheepdogs are really clever. The spring Spaniard is a natural nurturer, eager to keep their wards happy and healthy. They have been taught both to protect and care for their wards from a young age. Aside from guiding wards and helping shepherds, they are also good human companions. These dogs are often smart and help out with many other things on the farm, such as guarding the barns and chasing away vermin. Magpies and bottle caps. It's amazing to see animals learn meaningful tricks. Sure, a dog can bring you a beer from a fridge, it's amazing too. But as a society, we gotta start thinking bigger. Magpies are pretty smart as birds go. So smart in fact that they set up an example with recycling trash. There are 2 magpies in Haynes' backyard who have been there for what feels like eons. One day Hans noticed the curious critters were fidgeting with the light lanterns, complex locks. Suddenly he was struck with an idea. In the lanterns, the magpies were looking for partif candles, because why wouldn't they? Just like cousins of the crows, they love stealing, but Hans wonders if they could accomplish something more meaningful. In Hans Forsberg's machine, bird food is dispensed in exchange for bottle caps. Over time, the smart critters slowly started bringing in more friends, meaning more bottle caps to be recycled. A unique artist. Many of you have seen videos of elephants dipping their paintbrushes in paint and creating paintings similar to what a 5-year-old could create. Is this actually possible? The intelligence of elephants is compared to that of primates. At the same time, they can use tools to draw on paper with ease. Their trunks is an amazing appendage that is able to grip these things like a human hand would. Although they are not studios in the savannah, their high intelligence that is usually used to remember places and avoid predators allows them to easily learn how to make art. The difference, however, lies whether these paintings are a result of whim or training. As you've guessed it, it's most often the latter. The more that these guys train, the closer they get to being masters. Masters of escape. At New Zealand's National Aquarium, an octopus slipped out of the tank, slithered its way down a drain pipe, and escaped into the ocean. An octopus known as Inky escaped from his enclosure through a small opening in the floor, traversing the floor during the night and slipping through a narrow pipe leading to the ocean. Following the wet trail left behind, the staff were able to discover where Inky disappeared overnight. Inky had managed to remove the lid from his enclosure. Octopuses have been known to break out of sealed observation containers and aquariums. Just a minute while being required to do some brainstorming, and before you know, they've vanished, opening a lid from the inside. Which one of these smart critters amazed you the most? Let us know in the comment sections below. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so we continue giving you the best contents. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.